Hey guys, Kylie here. I just really wanted to hop on and give a quick honest review on my waffle maker. It's the Cuisinart and we have loved it. So our thing is actually every Sunday we make waffles for breakfast. So this has lasted 11 years because we were actually gifted this for our wedding and we use it every week. So we love it. The stainless steel is super durable and high quality. Love it so much. It looks great as well. Really nice design. I'm not a fan of like the Belgian waffles. I like the littler ones. So that's what this one is. It has this T through it so that you can't easily cut them for kids and stuff like that. And then as you can see right here, it has 1 to 5 minutes. So automatically times it for you. And then the light will pop green when it is finished. So they come out really easily. This cleans fairly easily. I would recommend cleaning it right after you're done when it's still a little warm. I find that's the easiest. Overall, we love this thing. Looks great. I would highly recommend if you are in the market for a new waffle iron.